EseeCloud claims to be the ultimate solution for managing your security cameras remotely, but does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's dive into what this app offers and see if it's worth your time and money. EseeCloud is designed for users who want to keep an eye on their properties through their security cameras from anywhere. The app provides real-time video streaming, motion detection alerts, and the ability to control multiple cameras simultaneously. One of the standout features is its user-friendly interface, which makes navigation pretty straightforward, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. However, while the core functionality seems solid, I did notice some areas that could use improvement. For example, the setup process can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not familiar with network settings. Also, the app lacks detailed tutorials, which might leave some users feeling lost during installation. EseeCloud targets homeowners and small business owners, but I wonder if it's robust enough for larger scale operations. Overall, it provides decent remote access, but some aspects feel a bit underdeveloped. So, what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, EseeCloud offers a straightforward user experience and decent real-time monitoring capabilities. The motion detection feature is particularly useful for alerting you to any suspicious activity. On the downside, the lack of detailed setup instructions can be frustrating, and some users may find themselves struggling with initial configuration. Additionally, the app has been criticized for occasional connectivity issues, which can be a deal breaker for those relying on it for security. If you're looking for a solution for a single property, it might work well for you. However, for larger setups, you may want to consider alternatives that offer better support and reliability. In conclusion, EseeCloud has potential, especially for homeowners wanting a simple security solution. However, if you need something more robust or have multiple cameras to manage, you might want to explore other options. It's worth giving a try, but approach with a bit of caution regarding setup and reliability.